Today we look at a seemingly simple model with a bit of a twist, or perhaps a squiggle. This 1:48 scale tank car was my first scale freight car build from almost 10 years ago, but I took it apart long before we started doing regular videos. At the time, and perhaps even now, most tank cars seem to be built like steam engine boilers, with curved slopes surrounding some kind of snot core. This usually only approximates a circle, and the lumpiness may look more or less obvious depending on the diameter. If we want to make something perfectly round, we have to use something like these quarter circle panels. Unfortunately, a horizontal stack of these have almost no structural integrity. They bend and pull apart extremely easily, which is not ideal for a vehicle usually in tension. Of course, we could have some kind of internal frame pick up the load, but it's still not that easy. We need to use some other quarter circle part to tie four panels together, but when we connect four of these bricks or plates together, we can't pass a frame through them, which almost brings us back to the original problem. So here's the twist. I figured that I did not need to join all four panels at the same place. Instead, I could stagger the joints and wiggle the frame around them. The lower panels connect in the center, and the top panels connect at the quarters, though everything connects at the ends. The dome and ladders disguise the small brick-built non-circular section in the middle. This isn't exactly my original design, though it isn't far off. Despite the much smaller part selection 10 years ago, I only changed the side ladders to better curve along the tank and the bogies to pivot from the middle. I also threw on a set of bearing axles. The car weighs 450 grams, even though it only contains 400 parts. Though I primarily built this to demonstrate the squiggly frame, I also wanted to find modern freight cars that could navigate R40 curves. Most of them, especially flat cars and box cars, have skirts that would limit bogie rotation and therefore smaller radii compatibility. Anyway, I wanted to revisit this design because I still haven't seen anyone else do this. On that note, this is the end of the video. Please consider subscribing if you like what we do, and have a nice day.